It was a cold winter day. I was coming back to home from market with my mom. She asked me if I would like to have some coffee. We turned towards the cafe. Suddenly, I noticed a poor old lady was sitting all alone outside the park. She was looking so upset. I asked I asked my mother that we should go to ask her why she is so upset. As we went close to her, I noticed her pale face. She was shivering because of fever. My mother made her stand from there and took her to the shelter area. She started crying and told that she didn't have money to buy her medicine even. My mom asked me to go and bring some tea or coffee quickly for her. Meanwhile, my mother brought a shawl from the car and covered her completely. When she felt a little better, we took her to the doctor with a little medical care. She was feeling much better. She gave us so many blessings. I can still feel the warmth of her hands. My mother gave some money to her and we drove her to her home. We all should pay attention to the people around us and what we can do to make their life a little easier. An act of little kindness, any a simple gesture can improve someone's day.
Okay, well done, beta. Excellent. So I hope beta other students also enjoyed the same thing, है ना? You liked the paragraph, and even I can imagine the whole scene in front of me that there's one woman who's sitting there, okay, and they are helping them. So I can imagine the whole scene also. So very well done, Saksham and Samarth. And please better repeat that line. I asked my mother that we should ask the woman. ये वाली line बोलना बेटा. इसमें एक mistake थी, otherwise it was very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, suddenly I noticed a poor old lady was sitting all alone outside the park. She
Mhm.
was looking so upset. I asked my mother that we should go to ask her why she is so upset.
Why she was so upset, ठीक है? Otherwise well done. Okay. So past tense, you have to stick to the past tense. So very nice idea and very nicely spoken. Well done. Okay, next is Adgun. Adgun, what is your idea, beta?
By helping others, you can make this world a better place to live. People would love to be around you and people will bless you. Helping also connects us to others, creating stronger communities and helping to build a happier society for everyone. It will actually make you feel great and you will have stronger friendships. One day I was coming back from my tuition and I passed a girl whose bicycle was broke and she fell down. I stopped there and thought to help her because she was worried. I gave her a ride to her house. She thanked me and her mother gave me chocolates in a way of gift. I dropped her and came back home and told my mother about this incident. She felt proud of me and was so happy, and I also felt proud of myself. I felt very happy by seeing that smile on her face, whom I had helped, and felt so relaxed. Helping others will make you feel like you can take on the world.
Okay, well done. So I've got one or two suggestion, otherwise very nicely spoken. So one suggestion is explain beta more that incident, okay? That I help a needy person. No doubt introduction is important, but introduction is to be done in 2 3 lines, okay? So as I told you earlier, 4 marks are given to the content part, है ना? So you have to explain the incident more. And one thing is this, and second thing, yes, not broked, it's broken. Okay? Otherwise, well done. So nice idea, nicely spoken. Very well done. Okay, Savya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can it be imaginary?
Yes, yes, you can imagine.
Okay, ma'am. Helping a needy person is a very good habit. I think we are sent in this world for to help others. Someone has rightly said that do good, have good. It is very much true quote. If everyone believes in this quote, then we'll get blessings from a needy person, and that blessings are very much important in our life. I also want to and share my experience when I helped a needy person. Once upon a time, I was traveling in my car. I was going to my maternal grandmother's house as there was my summer vacations. When we stopped the car on traffic lights, uh, then suddenly one truck came and hit the bike. I then suddenly came out of the car. After that, I went into that bike. First of all, I called the ambulance. When we were on the way to the hospital, ma'am, no, ma'am, once again. When we reached the hospital, the doctors took him to ICU. I was in great tension. After some time, doctor came out of the ICU and told us that he is safe. We are giving. Then I asked the doctor that can I go to him. He said yes. Then I go to him. Then he said me thanks for helping me. I am very grateful to you. If there was any other person, then he might not help me. You are the best Indian. God bless you. Thanks once again. Then I said to him that it's my duty to help you. If I won't help you, then might not be helping you. By saying these words, I left the room. That day was my memorable day. Last but not the least, we should help others. They gave us blessings, and due to blessings, we can do each work easily.
Okay, well done, Savya. So, very nicely spoken again. So, one or two suggestions from my side. And whenever you have to move from introduction to the main incident, don't write this line, okay? I want to share, just directly share it, okay? I remember the day when I helped the needy person, okay, directly, and avoid using the words you and you, especially, okay? So I asked doctor if I could meet the patient or not. Okay. So direct questions, try to avoid that. Okay. Can I meet the patient? No. I asked the doctor if I could meet the patient. Okay. तो आप उसको if form में ले आओ. Otherwise, very nice. ठीक है. So many students have done their work. So I'm really enjoying it. Yes, Harmeet.
Yes, ma'am. Helping others is very important in our life. Helping others is also very good. We should help others as much as possible. We can get many benefits and blessings by helping others in our life. Once upon a time in winters, I was going with my father to mall. When we reached the mall, there was a very needy and poor person, and he was having wound in his arm, and he was shrinking with cold and had fever. Firstly, we went inside and bought a blanket and gave it to him. And then there was a doctor's clinic nearby the mall, and we put him to clinic. And doctor gave him medicine, and doctor dressed his wound. And after that, we gave him food like fruits and clothes, shoes to him. He felt very happy and gave blessings to us. I like to help needy person.
Okay. Okay, well done, Harmeet. So I think you spoke in past tense. I don't think so there was any kind of problem. So well done. Okay. Okay. Adgun, beta, is there any question in your mind? I think I gave you turn, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, कोई doubt नहीं है. You gave me doubt.
Okay, fine. So I will give turn to Shubh and Chehek after just 10 minutes. ठीक है? I just want to make you revise something, and I request all the students, please, beta, first of all, turn on your video. I'm just thinking that I just have feeling that I'm teaching to just 3-4 students. सिर्फ मैं शुभ को पढ़ा रही हूँ, चहक को, ठीक है, और कार्तिक और गौरिश को, और थोड़ा थोड़ा पारुल को भी. पारुल अब आई है. ओके. So beta last time we did one topic determiners, ठीक है, and we did in such a detail कि आपको काफी हद तक वो याद होगा, है ना? So I'm just trying to just make you revise the topic determiner. Okay, I'm just opening the old determiners that we did in 6th class, ठीक है, just to make you revise. Okay, before going to the determiners, who will tell me what is determiner? जितना भी आपको याद है अपनी language में, please कहीं से मत देखना. In your own language, please tell me what is determiner. Last time we did this, beta. You can give me example directly if you want. Yes, Devang.
Ma'am, I know the example.
Okay, speak up, beta.
There are a few children and there are a few friends in my party.
और इसमें कौन सा determiner है?
Ma'am, इसके अंदर है quantifiers.
Few, है ना? A few is the determiner and that is quantifier. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I tell the definition?
you can, beta. Yes, in your own language.
A person or thing that determines or decides something.
A person or thing, it is a word, it determines the noun. Okay, Savya.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी,
Determiners.
Savya, then Karthik. Yes, please.
Determiners are the words that are used to tell the quantity of a noun
Quantity of a
or
noun.
determine something.
Quantity, not only quantity, it tells us. Okay, yes, Karthik, I'll tell you later.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think that determiners are the word that come before the noun
Okay, they come before
and
the
also
noun.
tell about the noun.
Okay, they tell us about the noun and they come before the noun. Okay. So quickly, anyone who's speaking? Shubh?
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा, हाँ जी.
ma'am, determiners are the words that determine the quality, quantity, or numbers. Example: there are some boys in the class.
Okay. So quantity is correct, ठीक है. Number is correct, but not quality. ठीक है. Quality adjective बताते हैं. Otherwise quantity is ठीक है. Number भी ठीक है. Everything is fine, but not quality. ठीक है. So is there anyone? Jotin, please beta read these phrases.
Okay, ma'am. A boy, the sun, many students, some people, my friend, your house, 2 boys, 7 stars, second bench, this table, that tree.
Yes. So determiner beta, it comes before the noun most of the time, 99%. Okay. So I even don't remember the example in which determiner comes after noun. So most of the time actually it comes before the noun. Okay. And it gives us clarity of the noun. So you can see the definition. Determiner is a word that introduces a noun. Okay. And it gives us clear picture of the noun, whether the noun is 1, 2, 3, many or not. Okay. Where it is placed, that girl, ठीक है, वो girl कहाँ पे है, so it tells us about the place also, or and mostly it comes before a noun. So that is your definition, and no need to write in notebook. Last time we did it in so much detail because it was not in your book. That's why we did in fair copy, है ना? But this time you have this topic in your grammar book, so no need to note down anything and no need to note down in fair. I'll just explain you, and what you have to do, you have to do the exercises in the book. Okay, I'll give you 2-3 days for that, then I'll send you the answers. Okay. So determiner is a word, it gives us clarity of the noun. Clarity means it tells us something about the noun, जिससे हमें clarity हो जाती है. ठीक है. So if I would say book, you would ask what book. ठीक है, क्या book क्या. So if I would say this book, then you will just imagine that, okay, there is one book in my hands and I'm talking about that book. So it gives us a clear picture of the noun. Now next one is types. Okay, we did these types beta, if you remember: articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers. numbers, distributives, interrogatives. So I'm giving you 1 minute. You have to tell me all 7 types together. Just revise it, then we'll move the do the explanation also. First one is ADP, articles, demonstrative, possessives. Amarjot, what are you showing, beta? Okay, have you learned? Okay, let me go back to the definition, then I will ask you. So, yes, Gaurish, look at the screen and then please tell me as many types as you can.
Yes, ma'am. Articles, demonstratives, possessive adjectives, quantifiers, distributives, numbers, and uh, uh, possessive adjectives.
Possessive, you have
This
already told.
interrogative, ma'am. Interrogative.
Okay, fine. Okay. Yes, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. We have to explain these types, or I have to name these types.
We will do explanation. Just tell me the names, then we'll do the explanation. Okay?
Ma'am, demonstrative articles, quantifiers, possessive adjectives, numbers.
2 are left. Okay, who will help him, Savya?
Yes, ma'am. Articles, demonstratives, possessive adjectives, quantifiers, distributives, interrogative, numbers.
Numbers, okay. So anyone else who wants to speak, show me thumbs up quickly. Then we'll do the explanation. Okay, Devang, Shubh, Adgun. Okay. So, चलो आदगुन फटाफट से बोल दो बेटा 7 types.
Yes, ma'am.
Jyotin, turn on your
Articles.
video. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, distributives, interrogatives, and numbers.
Yes, okay. So you spoke all 7 types. Well done. Now we'll do the beta explanation. Okay. Now first one is articles. So is there anyone who can explain the articles? Just show me thumbs up again. Articles क्या होते हैं? Who will explain? Harmeet, if you want to have turn, then please turn on your video. Yes, finally. So yes, beta, what is article? Explain, please.
Ma'am, I know an example.
पहले आर्टिकल्स बताओ. आर्टिकल्स तो हम क्लास 2 से कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक क्लास 1 से.
Articles A and the come.
A and the 3 articles are there. Yes. Now you can speak the examples.
Ma'am, a donkey is running fast.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay. Jotin, turn on your video if you want to have turn. So articles, beta, you know that already there are 3 articles, ठीक है? A and the. Jotin, demonstrative आपने बताने हैं, ठीक है? I'm giving you 1 minute. Think about it. So A and the are the articles. There are 2 articles, A and an. They are the indefinite articles. We just have to, when we have to talk about the general things, ठीक है? A boy, we don't know which boy we are talking about, ठीक है? An apple, ठीक है? Normal apple. So that is indefinite, ठीक है? We are not talking about a particular thing, but the is used with a particular thing. For example, the apple which you gave me, ठीक है, is rotten. So we are talking about one apple, that is the particular one that you gave me, ठीक है? So A and an are used with the things which are indefinite. They are not particular. कोई भी होते हैं वो, ठीक है? But the is used with the particular one, ठीक है? The Ganga, the Himalaya, ठीक है? So the Taj Mahal, you know that they are the particular things. So see the examples. Now I would request Jotin to explain demonstratives.
Ma'am, this, that, these, those.
दिस दैट दीज दोज, ठीक है बेटा। इसमें से नियर वालों के साथ कौन सा आता है?
Ma'am, this and these. For many, these. On for a singular, them, this.
Okay, just wait. Okay. So this, that, these, those is the determiner. Okay. Where I have lost my PPT, just here it is. Yes, demonstrative beta. There are 4 demonstratives. This, that, these, those. ये भी आपको आते हैं already. So remember one thing. After this, noun should be there. ठीक है? Demonstrative. So this and these for nearby things and far away things, that or those. That you already know. I don't think so there's need to just explain this thing. Now, which is the next one? Articles, demonstratives, possessive. Who will explain possessive? Possessives कौन से थे बेटा? There are 7 words in possessives. Yes, Karthik. Then Devang.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, possessive adjectives are used to show possession. Ma'am, their words are my, his, her, your, their.
Okay.
Ma'am, mine can be there or not?
Mine, no बेटा. No. इसके बाद noun आना चाहिए, ठीक है? So
Only this much I remember.
my, him. Okay. So Devang, you can give me 7 examples बेटा.
Ma'am, you, them, you,
No, their bag. ठीक है? My bag, their bag, then
my bag, their bag,
और किसका बैग हो सकता है? हर बैग हो सकता है और
his, her,
bag.
his, and
Its bag, okay. Maybe a dog having its bag, okay.
ma'am, our bag.
Yes. So beta, these are the possessive adjective. You can see my, I have written 6. So what I have not written. So please find out.
Ma'am, your.
Your is not written here. Yes. So there are 7 possessives. ठीक है? So one is your. ठीक है? My bag, your bag, his bag, her bag. ठीक है? Their bag, its bag. So these are the 7 possessive adjectives. They show the possession or ownership. You are the owner of that thing. ठीक है? So next one is, which is the next one after possessive? Yes, Gaurish, कौन सा है next?
Yes, ma'am. Interrogative.
Okay, you can explain interrogative.
Yes, ma'am. Interrogative determiners are used to ask questions, and their examples are what, which, whose.
What, which, whose. Yes, exactly. So here the next one is, beta, this is the possessive example. This is my book. We have already done है ना, my bag, your bag. So ये examples हैं. So ये भी example है, his car, their house. ठीक है? This is the possessive determiner. Now the next one is numbers. Okay, who will explain the numbers? I have just come back. Numbers. Very easy. I think 2 types of numbers are there. Jasween, can you tell me? Beta, unmute. Jasween.
Ma'am, they tell about the quantity in numbers. There are 2 types of numbers: cardinal number, octinum numbers.
Yes, exactly.
Ma'am,
there are 2 type of number: cardinal number, ordinal. Cardinal होते हैं बेटा normal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, and ordinal first, second, third, fourth, fifth. ठीक है? In this form. So okay, number, they tell us about the number. Obviously, they are used with countable nouns. 2 pencils, 50 marbles, second position, third position. So they are the numbers. Okay. So well done. Next is interrogative. Gaurish has already explained there are 3 words in interrogatives. What, which, whose. Okay. What color do you like? Which car is yours? Whose pen is this? Always a noun is there after these 3 words. Okay. Interrogatives. So next one is, ये इंट्रोगेटिव की एग्जाम्पल है बेटा. What color do you like? Which boy is the tallest? Whose car is this? Which phone is yours? What job she does? So always there is a noun after these type of words. Next is distributives. I think they are not here. Yes, who will explain distributives? Only one is left. Quickly, beta. Distribute. The word is just suggesting itself. Only two hands are raised, Gaurish and Karthik. Okay, Savya also. Savya, I'll give you turn beta after Karthik. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in distributive adjective, ma'am, I think
What type of words are used? You are not supposed to tell me definition. आप मुझे words बता दो थोड़े से, एक दो. You can tell me the words. Okay, Savya and Shubh, tell me one word. Each boy. Okay. So Shubh, one
ma'am,
word.
either or neither.
Either girl is the culprit. Okay, yes, it can come. So Shubh.
Ma'am, every.
Hanji, every. Shubh, any one word you remember? Okay, Gaurish.
Ma'am, all.
All boys, ठीक है. Distributives, ठीक है. Both boys.
Ma'am, a little.
बेटा that is quantifier. That is quantifier, ठीक है. क्वांटिफायर मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. तो पहले डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव थोड़ा इजी है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव बेटा ईच, एवरी, ईदर, ऑल, बोथ, these type of words, ठीक है. So last one is quantifier. Quantifier.
Ma'am, can I explain?
क्वांटिफायर के नेम से पता चल रहा है. यस सव्या, क्वांटिफायर के नेम से पता चल रहा है दैट इट टेल्स अस द क्वांटिटी ऑफ समथिंग. ठीक है. So Savya, you can explain beta. Meanwhile, I'm just taking the attendance. Yes, please.
Okay. Quantifiers is used to tell the quantity of some things. For example, much, many, little, a little, few, a few, the few, and the little.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between little, a little, and the little, if possible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Little means almost something left. Something left.
Okay. And a little?
A little means some.
Ma'am, you have in 6th class you have said that for few
I know.
in negative.
Yes. I'm just listening to him. Then I will correct it. Okay, for sure. Yes, Savya.
Ma'am, they are used with uncountable nouns.
Okay. So beta little. Okay. Yes, they are used with uncountable nouns. Second one is a little. Okay. And the third one is the little. Okay. What is the difference? So little beta, little is almost zero. ठीक है. Or maybe बिल्कुल थोड़ी सी चीज, and that is not sufficient for you. This is not sufficient for you. ठीक है. There is little water in the jug and which is not sufficient. वो पूरा नहीं आएगा आपको. ठीक है. That is a negative thing. So little is not sufficient at all and it is almost equal to 0 or 1. ठीक है. बहुत थोड़ी चीज होनी. A little is, this is sufficient. No doubt it is small in quantity, but it is sufficient. ठीक है. ये बहुत है इतना. The little is all that you have. The little water in the jug is dirty. ठीक है. जितना भी उसमें पानी है, that is. ठीक है. Total. So who wants to explain it again? Anyone?
Ma'am, I think little has a positive meaning.
A little has positive meaning because this is sufficient. No doubt this is small quantity, but this is sufficient. And little?
Ma'am, little negative meaning.
Yes, little has negative meaning because it is not sufficient. ठीक है. ये बहुत कम होता है. Okay. So Ipsa, please tell me the difference between few, a few, and the few.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, few means not many. Few has a negative meaning. Ma'am, and a few means some. More, it is more than few. A few has a positive meaning.
Okay. And the few, beta?
Ma'am, the few
It's
The
total,
few,
total. The few
total,
friends I have, the few friends I have, all are very faithful. जितने भी आपके पास चीज है, total, ठीक है? So everyone, after explaining this thing, I'm just going to end the meeting, and Shubh and Chehek, I'll give you turn tomorrow, ठीक है? Paragraph. So few is little quantity, ठीक है? It's not even sufficient. A few is the positive one. ये countable के साथ use होते हैं, first of all. Please remember this thing. Few, a few, the few. And the few is the total, जितनी भी आपके पास है, ठीक है? Total. Okay, so tomorrow I'll explain the things again, ठीक है? We'll revise it, then we'll tomorrow do the exercises, ठीक है? And bring your supplementary books with you, ठीक है? जो extra books हैं आपकी. So alien something, ठीक है? So you have to just bring that also. So take care. I'll meet you tomorrow, ठीक है? Bye.